Okay. Here at Sedona Coffee Roasters, the machine I use is the ProBot L12. L12, the 12 stands for 12 kilos. It'll do about 25 pounds. Here, the largest roast I will do in this machine is about 20 pounds. At the top of the machine, the way this process works, the top of the machine is what we call a hopper. This is where I pour the beans in. The beans sit there until I'm ready to drop them, and I tell that by this thermometer here. When the temperature gets to where I want it, we call it a charge temperature. Temperature where I want to drop it. When it gets here, I'll lift this lever. The beans will drop into the drum, the roasting drum. Once they're in the drum with baffles turns and keeps the beans moving, keeps them separated, keeps it so they're heating evenly, so we get a nice even roast. When we drop the beans, all the beans are going to taste pretty much the same. We have a sight glass here, which beans, not as useful. The trier helps me at any time during the roast. I pull beans out, I keep an eye on them. This is my most useful tool when it's time for me to decide when to drop the beans. I want to look at them. I want to be able to smell them, to be able to see them. I want to know what I'm dealing with, and this trier allows me to do that. This little doodad here is just the end of the axle. I remove that plate when I need to lubricate the axle in here. Here we have the drop door, what I call a drop door. There's probably some technical name for it, I don't know, but this drop door allows me, when I've decided it's time to drop the beans, I open the drop door, the beans come out, fall into this cooling tray with the stir arms turning around. There's suction from the bottom here set up into the machine so that it helps cool it fast. What I want once I drop a bean or drop a roast is I want them to cool off as fast as they can so they stop cooking, so they stop roasting. And then when that's done, I open the chute, it drops beans into the basket, and at that point the roast is done, and that's the process of roasting with the ProBot L12.